Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today my daughter and I are going to show you how to meal prep delicious gluten and dairy-free recipes that you can use throughout the week. I'm a big believer in eating healthy, so I try to make sure to include plenty of vegetables in my meals. Guys, this was so funny to me. My daughter had never touched raw meat before and she was really struggling. I was like, baby, you're going to have to learn how to do this. But she finally got it and she was able to mix the seasonings together. And there she is, proud of what she has done. The first meal that we are making is chicken pot pie. And you need to stay tuned to the very end so you can see my delicious gluten-free chicken Alfredo with a turkey sausage. Then I'm going to show you how I meal prep for the week. We're going to go ahead and speed things up so we could get to this tasty meal, guys. So we all know how hectic mornings can be. So struggling to find time to make healthy, delicious lunch for work or school can be challenging. That's why prepping meals is a key to a stress-free morning. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make lunches for the entire week with minimum effort. One thing I want you to know is you can make a lot of your same meals. You're just going to alternate some of the ingredients to make it gluten-free. Going gluten-free does not mean you have to compromise on flavor. I also love to incorporate plenty of vegetables in all of my meals. Okay, the chicken pot pie is done, and now it is time to make our chicken Alfredo with turkey sausage. Okay, everyone, please don't forget to press like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more recipes. I would love for you to tell me some recipes that you would love for me to try. I did save a portion of the chicken to create another lunch for my meal prep. Meal prepping is a great way to save time and money while still eating healthy. Meal prepping involves planning and preparing meals ahead of time, usually for the week, so that you have quick and easy meals on hand for busy days. I definitely have to make sure that's on hand. By meal prepping, you can save time during the week, keep you from overspending on takeouts, and ensure that you are eating healthy meals. Additionally, it can also help you reduce food waste and simplify grocery shopping. By preparing meals in advance, you can also easily customize your meals to fit your specific dietary needs. Just like I want to make sure that the majority of my meals are gluten-free. So this is why meal prepping is important for me. If you would like to see more videos like this, please press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe.